Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make chicken spring roll recipe with homemade sheets and will show you how to store and freeze it for Ramadan. Grated carrots, chopped capsicum, cabbage, 5 to 6 chillies. Cut the chicken into small pieces and wash it well. Add 1/2 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Red food color 1/2 spoon. Black pepper 1 spoon. Vinegar 1 cup. Coriander powder 1/2 spoon. Some salt, approximately 1/2 spoon. Now mix it well. Marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Now hot the pan with some oil and add chicken to fry. Now slowly the water got evaporated. Now take some oil. We'll make the fillings. Add 1/2 spoon of ginger garlic paste. On medium flame, hot the pan. Add capsicum. Mix it until the water gets evaporated and moistureless. Add some salt and now add chicken. Now add cabbage, which are chopped thinly pieces. Mix it and add carrots. Cook for some time and now add all the spices. Red chili powder, coriander powder 3 to 4 spoon, turmeric powder 1/2 spoon. Now let it cook for 10 hours, 10 minutes. Now add Schwan chutney 4 to 5 spoon or 3 to 4 spoon. Add chopped chillies, black pepper, now mix it on low flame. Now remove it separately and spread it. Now we will make dough. Take all-purpose flour 1 kg. Add 1/2 spoon of salt according to your consistency. Add 3 to 4 spoon of oil and half glass of water. Now our dough is prepared. Make balls. Now make small rotis. Two of them. Now add oil, 1/2 spoon, and spread it. Now top of it add the flour and place the other roti up of it. Now add some flour and just roll it. Medium size. There should be no creases around it. Make sure Now it's done. Now hot the pan. Heat it for some time. Not too much. Okay, now it's done. Now remove it slowly. This is how you will keep going. Keep in a cloth. Wash it with water and just rinse it. Now my seeds are ready. Now I'll show you how to make roll. This is how you will roll it. Now in a small bowl add maida and some water and mix it. Make sure there should be no lumps. Now stick it. Okay, now let's fry it. You can shallow fry or deep fry. Now turn it upside down. Now it has got golden brown. So now we will remove it separately. You can see how crispy it is. I have prepared all the rolls overnight and covered the pieces, with the polythenes, and then I have freezed it for 5 to 6 hours separately. This method is very nice so that if you put everything in one bundle, then it will get stuck and it will be difficult to get deep froze. Now I will keep all of them separately this way. Thank you. I hope you like this recipe.